I'm Krista with L2L Support. Welcome to this tips and tricks video on the L2L hierarchy. The equipment hierarchy is how you digitally create your plant in L2L. It defines the association between various assets within the plant. L2L has a 3-tier hierarchy within the plant or site: areas, lines, and machines. Let's define those. An area is a means to subdivide the plant into zones or departments, for example, packaging or facilities. Line is a collection of one or more assets that function together, often to make a product. Each line must exist within an area. L2L's production module records data at the line level, and products and orders are routed through one or more lines. A machine is an individual asset. Each machine must belong to a line and is therefore associated to an area. Dispatches must be recorded against a machine. Let's look at this another way. Consider a single machine as a house. The house exists on a street where there are also other houses. The street would be the line. The street exists in a town or city made up of several streets. The town would be the area. The town resides in a state with several other towns or cities. The state would be the site or plant. Now that we've wrapped our heads around the 3-tier hierarchy, let's discuss other relationships that can be established beyond that hierarchy. Tooling can be considered a 4th level of the hierarchy. A tool is an asset that can migrate between machines to help the machine perform its function. For example, dies or molds. Line categories are a means to designate subsets of lines. Lines can belong to more than one line category. Technologies are a way to relate assets according to their function. A machine can belong to a single technology. For example, conveyors or welders. Value stream is used to associate machines to the products or product family. A machine can belong to a single value stream. Machine group is a method to represent 2 or more machines that perform work in parallel on a single line. Machine groups ensure that downtime on a production machine prorates line efficiency according to the other machines in the group remaining operational. For example, one down machine in a machine group of 4 assets reduces efficiency by 25%. Individual sites can choose to change the preset default name labels of these levels. If you look in Dispatch, Settings, you'll find the labels here. If you are new to the hierarchy system in L2L, I'd strongly encourage you to discuss the digital layout of your factory with your implementation consultant before getting started. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.